everyone, welcome to Hedgehog Hollow. Now today's video is a quick one. However, I wanted to address the email I probably get most out of any others, and that is about tools. People ask me, what should I buy? I'm starting out. Or I'm an advanced paper crafter, but if you could buy anything, what would you buy? And do you know what? The answer is super simple. It's the craft pick. Now, a couple of viewers leave me a comment when I use it in a video and they say, you are the doctor of craft picks. And I know it's just a fun joke we have. But honestly, if I could just have one tool and everyone said to me, you had to get rid of all your other gadgets, you had to get rid of everything, this is what I would keep in my craft gym. And I honestly think every single crafter should have one too. If you don't have one, get one. It is the best tool. It will clean everything. It will get every die out you could possibly need. It will help you stick everything down for every detailed die cut you. I use it in every single video. I don't think I have done a video in a very long time where I haven't used this tool. It moves things, it holds things, it puts gems down. It pokes things out. It adds holes to things. You will use this every single time you craft. And the best bit is you can get 10% off as a Perks member. Check out the links below as always. But trust me, you will use this tool more than anything. There are tons of splurges out there. Yes, I love my Scan and Cut, my Cricuts. They're $100 tools. There's my Geminis. There's my silicone spatulas. But this tool is super inexpensive, but you will use it in every crafting session. This is the tool where you will get bang for your buck. So that answers the most frequently asked question here at Hedgehog Hollow. What tool should I buy if I'm not going to splurge? What will I use the most? This is that tool. Grab yourself a Tim Holtz at Tonic Studios craft pick. You will use it all the time. I say, link in the video description. I know you'll love it. I love mine. We all have the joke that I'm the doctor of craft picks. You will see tons and tons of ways to use it. Thank you for joining me at Hedgehog Hollow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for tons of ways, of course, to use your craft pick. Lots of tips, techniques, tutorials. Every single day we have something new for you. Give us a thumbs up too. We know you'll love this tip as much as we do. Hit that join button for all of your savings, all of your perks. There are tons of reasons to become a Hedgehog Hollow Perks member. And I will see you again tomorrow for some more tips. If you have requests, drop those in the comments below too. I'd also love to know what your favorite and most used tool is in your craft gym. Drop those in the comments below and I'll see you tomorrow. Happy stamping. Bye.